In this video, you're going to be seeing exactly how I went from zero to about $2 in CPA leads every couple of minutes or so, which has been generating me about $50 to $100 per day completely for free in just about the first 48 hours of work. I'm going to be breaking down all my strategies, every single step that I took, so that you can see exactly what I did, so that you can replicate this in your own way and make your first $50 to $100 per day online just after watching this video. So if you end up sticking until the very end, I'm going to show you every single secret that I know, every step that I know, and everything I've learned about CPA marketing. This is a very new strategy that I've not spoken about on this channel before. All my passive income tricks and hacks that I've ever done in the past in just the next 10-minute video that you're watching right here. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm also going to be sharing with you exactly what passive income and CPA marketing is with just a little bit of your time and watching this video so that you could be on your way to making your first $50 to $100 per day completely profit without spending a dime. The whole point of getting this extra $50 to $100 per day is hopefully for you to make some extra money, get a little bit of financial flexibility, even perhaps financial freedom, and even maybe scale to your first six figures in 2021 and 2022 with CPA marketing. Guys, on my channel over here, I am uploading tons of free daily courses, trainings, free giveaways, course giveaways, sometimes even money giveaways. In this video, I'm going to be giving $10 to a lucky viewer. If you want to see how to win that $10, make sure to watch this video until the end. The first step is we need to hop onto our computers or mobile phones and find a CPA Marketplace where we can go promote different CPA offers. The one that I usually use is called maxbounty.com. Now, I know I've had a couple of people message me struggling to sign up on this website. You can view this video over here on my channel. It'll show you how to definitely get approved and sign up on this website. It is quite a bit of a signed up process, but honestly, this website is a hidden goldmine online. But if you can't get signed up on Max Bounty, come over to this website here. Type in CPA Lead into your browser, click on cpalead.com. It's an amazing alternative to Max Bounty. Exact same thing, easier to sign up. I personally prefer Max Bounty because, well, I already have an account there and the support is a lot better. Once you've landed on Max Bounty with your dashboard, it's going to look like this. So you can view your dashboard, your reports, any results from your affiliate offers and CPA offers, browsing, and you can search and other giveaways and stuff like that as well. So over here on the search bar, which is what your dashboard is going to look like, you can go and view all the different CPA offers that we can go and promote. So what this means is, for example, take a look at this, iPhone 6. What these people are doing is they are doing an iPhone 6 giveaway, where they give away an iPhone 6. In return, they collect people's emails and they announce a lucky giveaway that gives away this free iPhone 6. And you, as an affiliate for this giveaway, every time you refer someone and get them to sign up on this giveaway, you're going to get paid $1.60 per lead. You're not selling anything, you're not doing any affiliate marketing, you don't have to go and cold promote this anyway. I can literally go down the road, knock on my neighbor's door, ask him, "Hi there, would you like to sign up for an iPhone 6 giveaway? Here's the link. You just need to enter your email and username. You'll be notified it's a method of lucky draw, and when you sign him up with his email, this company pays you $1.60 per lead." And take a look at all these options you've got, guys. You can promote in all countries. You can choose from any country in the world that you want to find different offers to promote. So, for example, if you're in the United States, click on United States, apply search options. Everything is going to filter by the United States. For example, these people are doing a win a $5,000 challenge. So they're doing a $5,000 giveaway and you're getting $1.60 per lead. If you want to go promote a CPA offer that is allowed in all countries, you need to select allow all countries. Over here, you can see various different offers that are accepted worldwide. So I'm just going to go any country over here. I'm going to click on apply search options. The CPA lead I like to use is this one over here. The National Consumer Center gets $1,000 Visa card. You're going to get $2.40 per lead. Why I also like this is because Visa is a card that's usually accepted worldwide, and you can give someone the opportunity to win a chance of $1,000 Visa card, and you're getting $2.40 per lead. The pay per lead is also a little bit higher than the CPA rate. So all you're going to do is, once you've chosen your CPA offer, click on that. Over here, you can see if I click on bold tracking link over here and I click on contextual, and you'll see here is your long affiliate link to this giveaway page. You can see your daily cap is 300 actions per day, meaning you are allowed 300 CPA signups per day. So if I work this out and go 300 times $2.40, you can earn a max of $720 per day with this campaign. So if I paste this affiliate link in my browser, this is exactly what the giveaway page looks like. Over $10 million in rewards given out so far. This time, complete 10 deals and get a $1,000 Visa gift card. And over here, you just have to fill out the survey and just answer random questions. You can answer the survey yourself. A couple of questions will be asked. Once you enter your email or you get your lead to enter this email, they have successfully entered the competition for this $1,000 Visa gift card, and you're going to get your $2.40 per lead. And as you can see here, it's an email submit, so that all they need to do is submit the email for the giveaway, and boom, you're going to make $2.40 for that. What you want to do from here, guys, is you want to come over to this website over here. It's called tryinteract.com, where you can go and make a quiz to generate leads for your business. So the best way I've discovered to capture CPA leads in the past couple of months that's been very, you can call high converting. That means traffic to conversion ratio, meaning if 100 people visit my page and 50 convert, that's a 50% conversion ratio. Sometimes I've had campaigns that only convert with 5 to 10%. But with quizzes, I've had nothing less than 30%, which is really high. So what you can go and do is you can go and create an interacting quiz that generates leads, segments your audience, and drives traffic to your website. In this case, that $1,000 giveaway. It is built for businesses that have all features that you need to create your own lead generation quiz that grows your own company. So all you're going to do is you're going to click over here, make your own quiz for free. You just need to enter the following information. For the company name, you can just enter your personal name. On this dashboard is going to be the back end of your Try Interact account, where you can choose tons of templates to build your quiz with. So I've chosen the Make Money Online niche, which is win a $1,000 gift card. So I want to choose something like this that's quite like blue and white. That looks quite happy. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on use templates over here. Over here, it will start to load your app and your quiz that you can go and start to build this. And over this, you want to type something like this. Answer this for a chance to win a $1,000 gift card. It's also important that you have a cover image. So what I did was I just went to go and save this gift card Visa image off the giveaway page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on replace image over here, click on yes. You want to go upload, choose file. You can see how I kind of added like a Visa/PayPal logo wallpaper that I just searched on Google. I filtered by free copyright photos and went Visa wallpaper and uploaded that to the quiz. So you can just click upload, edit cover image over here, replace image, and you can go upload any picture over here. And then over here is like a short description. I just typed answer these very questions and follow instructions to stand a chance to win a $1,000 Visa card. Then you've got your call to action, which says take the quiz, which will take them to the quiz that we're going to go create now, which is what's going to convert this traffic into leads for your CPA offer. Over here, you want to click on the questions tab and you'll see a basic template question will pop up over here. And you can put 4 random countries. So for example, I put here UK. You want to put the country that is accepted for the CPA offer. In this case, the CPA offer is accepted in the United States, India, and then other, which is other countries in the world. Click on answer settings over here, click on save, and click on set answer scores over here. You want to make UK naught, United States 1, India naught, and other naughts, because obviously they have to be from the States. Then all you're going to do is you're going to click on the results tab over here for when they select United States, and you want to have the following. You qualify for the giveaway, click below to enter the $1,000 Visa gift card. Over here you've got your call to action, and you want to click on start quiz. You want to type in enter giveaway. And then all you want to do is you want to click on URL over here, copy the same URL that we generated on our Max Bounty dashboard, paste this over here, and click on save. All you want to do is click on publish over here on your quiz and click on publish as is. Over here you can see the link to your quiz. Now people can publicly go and take your quiz that you've created, ask them what country they're from. If they're from the United States, it will take them through to your CPA offer, because then you know all the traffic that lands on your CPA offer is from the right country, meaning everybody will convert. So you won't have people from unsupported countries visiting your CPA affiliate link, because the quiz is filtering out those people not from the right country. The next thing you want to do, guys, is come over to facebook.com and come over to Facebook groups, and you're going to search sweepstakes, which is another word for giveaways and freebies and contests. So over here I open up a couple of sweepstakes and giveaway groups. Take a look at this. People here, for example, are giving a chance to win a Tango Tuesday game card, which is like a sweepstakes competition as well. Over here is Adriana Rose Boutique money bag giveaway. So they're giving away like this handbag. And what you can go and do is, here's like a Burger King Nintendo Switch sweepstakes. You can go and make posts on these groups. $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway. Paste your link, $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway enter the quiz $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway quiz. Just enter the questions down below to qualify. And you can go and create the same post in all these different groups. And all these different groups is here. You can reply to some of these people as well and say to them, hi there's currently a $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway quiz. Would you like me to send over the quiz to see if you qualify for the giveaway? And you can just enter with your email. You'll be notified later. Start a conversation as well. You just want to go and post. Take a look at all these groups over here. Go and make the same post on all these different groups and sweepstake groups over here. Go and join all of these groups, and you just want to go and post. I mean, if you focus on, let's say, 30 leads per day, that is not a lot. And I go and calculate this, and I go $2.40 multiplied by 30. That's $72 a day, completely for free, just monetizing Facebook groups with these free giveaway competitions that are paying $2.40 per lead. But what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. I created a free 26-minute masterclass / training for you guys that will explain to you what I do full-time with YouTube, how I get paid hundreds to thousands of dollars to complete rare high-income skills that take years to study. I don't even do the work myself. It's a very interesting loophole called drop servicing, where you can go and sell rare high-income skills such as coding, web development, digital marketing. It takes ages to learn that stuff, and you don't even need to do that yourself, and you can still make huge money online. So how it works is someone pays me $500 to design their photography website, for example. What I will go and do is I will head over to a freelance marketplace where I can go hire an expert web developer for, let's just say, $80. Pay him the $80 from the $500 my client has paid me. He will design the website, do all the hard work. He sends me the work. I send that work to my client and keep $420 in my profit, and I've done nothing. It's very passive because you have other people doing the work for you, and you make a lot of money from this. My top store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone. This free training shows all of that. So without further ado, guys, make sure to go down below to the first link in the description, and I'll see you at this training over here.